Hey guys, welcome back to Master and Learn It. In this video, we are learning how to divide monomials. So what is a monomial? Remember, a monomial is one term. It's a single term that is separated by multiplication and division only. There shouldn't be a plus, there shouldn't be a minus. Whenever you see a plus or a minus, try to simplify that if you can. But if you cannot, that's not a monomial. We only want a term that's separated by a multiplication or division only. That's what we call a monomial, and in this case right here, that's what we want to learn how to divide. But there are some prerequisite things that you should know, that when you are dividing, a plus divided by plus, you get a plus. A minus divided by minus is a plus. Why is that? Because they are the same, you get a plus. They are the same, you get a plus. But here they are not the same, you get a minus. They are not the same, you get a minus. That's what we should know. And when we know that, these are the steps that we're going to be following when we're dividing a monomial. So we're going to divide the signs, a plus or a minus. We're going to divide their coefficients, which are the numbers right in front of a letter. And if the variables match, we subtract exponents. That means from top to bottom. Okay, so if we know that, let's just get right in. We have the first example right here on the board. The first question you should ask yourself is this a monomial term? Yes. Why? Because the only thing separating this is multiplication and division, because it's 20 times x times y times z all over 4 times x times y times z. So that's multiplication and division. Since this qualifies to be a monomial, let's get started. We have to divide the sign. There is a plus here and a plus. If you don't see it, it's a plus. So a plus divided by a plus, we get a plus. So my answer should be a plus there. Then the next step is to divide the coefficients. 20 divided by 4 using a calculator, that's 5. And we said if variables match, subtract their exponents top minus bottom. So x matches with this x, I write it. And what do? Subtract the exponents, which is top is 5 minus bottom 3, we get a 2. Y matches with y also, we subtract the exponent. What is the exponent here? There's a 1. 1 minus 2, we get negative 1. You should use a calculator if you're not sure. You just say 1 minus 2. So it's negative 1. Then z matches with z right here. And what do? If your variables match, subtract the exponents top from bottom. There's a 3 here. What's hiding here? There's a 1. So 3 minus 1, we get a 2. So this should be your final answer. Let's try another one. These ones cannot be right away a monomial because there is a plus. We said they should be separated by times and division only. So we should add, these are like terms. 2 plus 4, we get 6x to the power of 3. Then when you are multiplying this, let's add, when you multiply same basis, you add the exponents. So we're going to get x to the power of 3 plus 3, which is 6. If you're not sure how to multiply, watch the previous video I made. And now this is a monomial term. We can divide the signs, a positive and a positive is a positive. Divide the coefficients. 6 divided by 1 is 6. If the variables match, subtract the exponents. Yes, they are matching, so I'm going to subtract the exponents. 3 minus 6, we get negative 3. And this should be your final answer. If you find this video to be really cool, please give it a big thumbs and always subscribe to Master and Learn It, where we make learning easy and fun. See you in the next video.